Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you what are the important vitamin and minerals that are essential for the health of your hair. And if there is deficiency of these minerals and vitamins, it can cause major hair fall. So the first vitamin is vitamin B12. The daily requirement of vitamin B12 is 2.4 mcg per day. It's very less now, but still vitamin B12 deficiency is very common in India. We get almost 10 million cases per year. So, what is the symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency? Well, there is no symptom. We rarely get any symptom of vitamin B12 deficiency. But if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, like you don't have any kind of animal products like dairy, meat or seafood, there are very high chances that you have vitamin B12 deficiency. For healthy hair, your B12 levels should be above 400. So the next vitamin is folic acid. The daily requirement of folic acid is 400 mcg per day. We get almost 1 million cases of vitamin B9 or folic acid deficiency per year in India. So this is yet another common vitamin deficiency. The common symptoms of vitamin B9 deficiency or folic acid deficiency is grey hair and mouth sores. Mouth sores are also known as मुंह के छाले in Hindi. So for healthy hair, the folic acid level should be above 5. So the last is iron. The daily requirement of iron is 20 mg per day. According to many studies, it is difficult to achieve this requirement, which makes iron deficiency very common in India. We get almost 10 million cases of iron deficiency in India every year. The most common symptom of iron deficiency is low hemoglobin. If your hemoglobin is below 13, you might have iron deficiency. For healthy hair, your iron levels should be above 70. So all I want to say is it's all about blood. How healthy your blood is, and your body should have enough blood so that it can carry oxygen, vitamins and minerals to your hair. In market, I have seen so many products like इस product में vitamin E है, biotin है and all that vitamins are there. बट हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी अभी इतनी ज़्यादा एडवांस नहीं हुई है कि हम लोग अपनी स्किन या फिर स्कैल्प पे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लगाएं एंड हमारी स्किन एब्जॉर्ब कर ले उस विटामिन को एंड वो हमारी ब्लड स्ट्रीम में चली जाए. नो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. You have to eat healthy, you have to correct your diet in order to get healthy hair. So that is it you guys. I hope you find this video useful and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next video.